Good morning and welcome to Chris's Caribbean Delights. Once again, here I'm doing a breakfast video with some sausages wrapped in biscuit dough. So I'm first of all boiling my sausages to a temperature 140, and then I'll take them out of the casings and I'll get my biscuit dough and wrap them up, and we'll go from there. I just remove these from the water and let them cool before I can handle them. Give them about 10 to 15 minutes so that they can cool off, because I need to take the casing out. I have removed the casings from the sausages, and now I'll get the biscuit dough, roll it out, and we'll roll these up, get an egg wash, and paint them, and we'll put them in the oven, 375. And I've rolled them, and they're in the oven. We'll show you the finished product when we get finished. Should be in there for 375 for about 20 minutes, or until it gets to the temperature of 170. Here we go, guys. Sausage wrapped in biscuits. What a pig in blanket.